Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious homemade granola bars that are perfect for a quick snack or breakfast on the go. They're packed with healthy ingredients and are super easy to make. You're going to need 500 grams of oats, a cup of raisins, 1 cup cashew nuts, half a cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start off by toasting our oats on medium heat until they're lightly brown. Make sure you're constantly mixing your oats to prevent the ones at the bottom from burning. Once they're toasted, set the oats aside to cool. In a large bowl, combine all your ingredients. Line your baking tin with parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove the bars later. Pour your mixture into a baking tin and make sure that it's evenly distributed. You can use the bottom of a glass to press down on the mixture so that the bars hold firmly together. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Let them cool for a few minutes before cutting them. That's it, guys. Easy homemade granola bars in just a few simple steps. Let me know in the comment section what mix-ins you added. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!